Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, CMA Inter students are worried about the you can say SAP assessment test. So in this video, I will give all the detail and I will try to resolve all the question arising in the mind of CMA Inter student related with this notification. So now the notification is related with SAP assessment test. Institute is conducting SAP assessment test from 20th August to 31st August. You need to choose your slot accordingly. Online you can give the SAP assessment test. You are required to schedule your assessment well in advance and you will have a maximum of 3 attempts to clear this assessment. Suppose unfortunately any candidate who appeared in SAP assessment test in first time, second time, third time, maximum 3 times he can give. MCQ based 50% mark you need to score, and the paper pattern will be easy, need not to worry about. Okay, whatever you have learned in your SAP training, you can easily crack this exam. But unfortunately any candidate could not clear maximum 3 times she need to appear. Okay, and institute will release the mock test from 16th August to 19th August, and you can schedule and practice multiple times. Okay, from 16th August to 19th August you can practice for mock test paper. Okay, you will know the paper pattern each and everything. Okay, and you can multiple time you can attend the mock test paper. Institute will open the mock window for SAT test 16th August to 19th August. Okay, and the exam time will be from 20th August to 30th August. Any day you need to choose. Maximum 3 times you can give exam to crack. 50 mark you need to appear. Okay, and the paper pattern for SAT test you will get from mock test paper, which is conducting from 16th August to 19th August. Now the question arising in the mind of, hope you understand each and everything. Now the question arising in the mind of whether this is compulsory or not. So guys, although this is not compulsory, reason behind this, we already know that all kind of training is exempted. SAP training, 100-hour computer training, 7 days IOTP training, 6 or 15-month article sheet, all kind of training is exempted for this June 21 exam term of examination. Okay, so any candidate did not want to appear, this is not compulsory. But now please understand the intention of institute. Suppose guys, those candidate who has already cleared completed their SAT training, yet their exam is pending, so those candidates appear in the exam, crack the exam, they will get certificate, and this training exempted forever. Okay, although the training exempted only for particular term of examination, but if you crack this exam and get the certificate, so this SAT training will exempted forever. Suppose institute given the exemption for this particular term of examination, unfortunately any candidate could not appear the SAT training even though could not clear the exam, then guys, he she need to attend this training whenever he she is appearing in the next term of exam, hoping that you are getting. If you complete this training, SAT training, complete this assessment test, so this training is exempted forever. But those candidate who has availed the exemption of SAT training, then if unfortunately could not crack the examination, then he she need to appear in the SAT training for the upcoming exams. If institute did not give the you can say exemption of this kind of training for the December 21 or upcoming exams, hoping that you are getting my point. Still any candidate has any doubt, he she can ask me, surely I will try to help you. Now the second doubt, the students are worried about the meaning of this notification. So guys, this exam only for this is, you can say, this is not related with the student. Okay, this is for the, you can say, any candidate has chosen the advanced courses of institute, any final student, final qualified student, any other professional chosen the data analytics course of CMA Institute, SAP course of CMA Institute, or advanced business Excel course for institute. So this is for those students. Those candidate student need not to worry about this exam timetable. Okay, this is not related with the student. Okay, only final student, those has taken the advanced courses, or those qualified, or those other professionals. So please understand that this is not related with the foundation, inter, or final student. So hoping that you are getting the this notification or this timetable real meaning, and hope you also understand. I am giving in the crux. If any candidate could not attend the training, or even though any can already attend the training, this is not compulsory. But those candidates who are interested and those already completed the SAT training, they can give the exam and get the certificate, and this training will all exempted for all term of examination. Okay, so those but now if you are talking about my opinion, my conclusion on this, those candidates already completed the SAP training, my suggestion to you, you should give this exam, get the certificate, and this training will exempted forever, irrespective of whether you complete your particular group or not. You need not to again attend this training. But those candidates who has not taken earlier the SAP session, my suggestion to you, you need not to worry about this SAP test. Try to crack the examination, then you need not to appear the again SAP training. But those who earlier could not attend the training and could not crack the examination, guys, she need to appear in the next SAP batch. So hoping that you are getting the all the doubts. Most of the students are asking me again and again this question, so I make the video so that everyone understand the better about this notification or about this timetable or this related with this information. Still any candidate has doubt related with any doubt, any query, she can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. So guys, from my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.